In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the repair loop error in League of Legends. Now to fix this, what you want to do is come down here, open up Task Manager, open up here, go to Details and sort by the name, press anywhere and press L, see if you have a League of Legends in the task, and then check for Riot clients and then the task. Make sure there's no Riot client or anything running in here, not even this one, and same with League of Legends. So once you close down everything, what you want to do is find your League of Legends, right click on it, Properties, Compatibility. Now make sure this is unchecked. Usually you get the repair loop if you have the run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Usually this is what causes the issue if you have this on. So make sure you don't have this on. And then what you want to do is disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Now when you launch League, it will open up as normal. And that's about it, guys. There's not really much more to it. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.